Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are driving into something a little more exotic, the 2011 Maserati GranTurismo, Italian design with a roaring V8 and timeless coupe styling. This is not your average daily driver. Let's take a closer look on this Maserati. Look at this 4.7 liter engine. Usually the GranTurismo still turns out to be like it's over a decade, but this one is finished in black 2011, which got a really long hood, low profile. Look at the ground clearance it has. It's like literally not even a phone can fit over there. We've got this aggressive grille with the badge of this trident badge of Maserati basically, and the 20-inch alloys, which are pretty cool. Even in 2024, this car looks like a piece of art, elegant but powerful. We'll go inside, we'll take a look of everything, but I'm gonna tell you this car over here has 4.8 liter engine with V8 and has 433 horsepower, built by Ferrari. It's paired with 6-speed automatic transmission, sending power, and it has a rear-wheel drive. And trust me, it sounds incredible. I'm gonna show you the sound. I'm just in the local area. I'm not gonna rev it over here, otherwise the neighbors are gonna be crazy. They're gonna be yell at me and abuse me. But it's just not about speed. It's just feel. The steering is sharp. The ridge is firm, but not punishing. And exhaust note, you'll want to downshift just to hear it sing. It's just perfect. Well, and then this goes from 0 to 100 in 5 seconds. Again, I don't have the streets where I can do that, but I'll probably find one to run it to 0 to 100. Feature wise, it just got power adjustable seats, leather. I'm gonna show you everything after I get inside this car. And here's the key. Since you have had a look from outside, let's go in. Okay, we got a carbon fiber over here on the handles. We've got these grills screaming Maserati. Like, look at these. Look at this. I don't know, but it's something in Italian. And then at the back, we got this sign. We've got this spoiler, which is also carbon fiber, pretty cool. Got the exhaust. I'm gonna rev it. We've got in the bottom as well, like the mirrors also have these carbon fibers. Plus, where else do we have carbon fibers? Look at this tail light. Look at these sensors, the grille. Everything is so cool. It's like nice. And this is a sport line, so you can have a look over here that we have carbon fiber all over inside the car. The carbon fiber here, the carbon fiber here on the steering wheel, as well as in the dashboard. That's the GranTurismo S, which is the sport. We got carbon fiber here, we got carbon fiber here, everywhere carbon fiber. It has so this is like pretty cool. Like, it's old, but it's 2011, but it's so cool. The windows goes up. We've got the downshifters, upshift. We've got downshift, upshift. Let's start this beast. I'm gonna roll down the windows just so we can hear the noise. We've got plenty of room here for people, those who want to sit in the back. And let's start this. Woo, that's Okay, let's take it for a ride. I'm gonna tell more details about these cars. This one. So again, I can't actually rev it because I am not in the place where I just can't for some reason. Anyways, let's take this out from here. But you can always like look at this roaring sound. It's so cool. It's like, wow. Okay, we have a road closed here. Let's go back.